Hey, what's going on? Potato King 32 here, and I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. Sorry if the audio's crap, I'm in my room. And this is going to be knife reviews. This is a Buck 110. It is stainless steel, made by Buck Woodsman Knives. Or Buck Knives, I don't know. It's pretty much all steel, as you can see on the inside. I think if it will show up, yeah, it's all steel inside of there, except for this oak wood handle here, right here. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 finger grooves. It actually has very large hands, and it's perfect, actually. It has a pommel that has been used a lot. Yeah. Blade, I actually just sharpened it today with this. Actually, I sharpened it like just now, like 2 minutes ago. It was very sharp, but it isn't anymore because it's like a 40-year-old knife. I got this from my dad. He's had it for 30 years or so. And yeah. Yeah. That creepy? Yeah, well, it should be. Alright, and I'm actually pretty used to using this thing. These videos are going to be very short. It's been going on for 2 minutes now, and yeah. I'm not very good at this. My first knife review. I'd like to do more in the future. So, let's see if I can reach 10 likes. Pretty good, yeah. Alright, so, I'll see you guys next time if there's enough likes or views. And okay. Alright, see ya.